Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about watchOS 7.5 update on my Apple Watch Series 3. So as you can see, this is an Apple Watch Series 3 that I'm holding here. Many Apple Watch users are reporting that they could not update their watch. Because of the storage problem, it cannot install update and people can't unlock their iPhone with Apple Watch. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. After updating your Apple Watch to watchOS 7.5, then you are able to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch. Now follow my steps and watch video till end.